In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to ensure compliance using QuickBooks Accountant. We'll walk through a clear workflow you can follow every month or quarter to keep your clients' books accurate and compliant. Open QuickBooks Accountant on your desktop and sign in with the appropriate firm credentials. Make sure you're in the Accountant edition so you have access to the firm tools and the client list. From the top right navigation, head to Clients under Your Practice. This is your command center for managing engagements. Locate and select the client you want to review. Double-check that you're opening the correct company file and that the reporting period matches the compliance window you're reviewing, such as month-end or year-end. In the Client's Overview, look at tasks under Your Books. These tasks often surface pending compliance actions, reminders, or items assigned by your team. Clearing these first ensures you're not missing critical filings or reconciliations. Next, go to Transactions to review all bank and expense entries for accuracy. Confirm that transactions are categorized correctly, with the right payees, classes, and tax codes where applicable. Match bank feed items, verify that reconciliations are complete, and add missing attachments for audit support. If something looks off, trace it back to the source document and fix it before you run reports. Click Reports under Your Books. Run standard reports essential for compliance, including the profit and loss, the balance sheet, and the tax summary. Set the correct date range, choose cash or accrual as required, and use comparative columns or prior period comparisons to spot anomalies. Drill into unusual balances or negative numbers, and resolve variances while you're in context. If you identify issues that require corrections, open Advanced Accounting to create adjusting journal entries. Add clear memos, attach supporting documents and date entries to the correct period. Avoid editing historical transactions directly. Use adjustments instead, so your audit trail stays intact. If a period is closed, use accountant-only adjustments and maintain detailed notes for reviewers. Review the payroll and taxes sections to confirm all filings and payments are up to date. Verify payroll liabilities, submission statuses, and due dates. Ensure sales tax or VAT returns are filed and paid as scheduled, and reconcile tax payable balances to your reports. If you need an extra layer of verification, click Expert Help under Your Practice to consult a proadvisor. A brief review can validate your adjustments and confirm regulatory alignment. That's how you ensure compliance using QuickBooks Accountant. If this video helped, please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching.